Hello, it's me, Tony, and today I will be speaking about Gimre Riddles. Those riddles first appeared in May 2016 and it was a success. Many people take part into this contest and Gimre decided to make a second edition of it in 2018 in April. And I will be speaking about that today in this video. The money for it was pretty big, 16,000 ZEM, and at that time it cost like 4,000 US dollars. I will go through all of the steps today and I will show you how to solve this riddle. So the first clue we have is this randomized string of characters hexadecimal. I will copy it and let's go to Nano Wallet, let's sign up. Let's create private key wallet. Yes, next. I will name it A. Go next. Password A, and I will type in the private key, which is giving us the address corresponding to above key, which is the NA warm, which is a warm-up address. And I already go through all of those steps to not make this video longer. That's why I will just log in. So this is our first task and we see the first message, first transaction out of this wallet is encrypted. So let's decode it using our wallet password. So that was the password that you have created by importing the wallet from the private key into Nano Wallet. So hey, what's that? And we've got another string of characters. This string of characters is bringing us to the second riddle. So the same steps: sign up, private key wallet, ready, next, name your wallet, and type in the private key in the private key section. But as I said, I already have it, so let's go into the riddle 2. Let's unlock it by the password. And we've got another message. I will decrypt it using the same password. And this is a string of characters that we have. So this task was pretty basic. Those characters are called Brainfuck program, and you basically have to find some kind of Brainfuck compiler using internet, and few compilers are online, so you are able to just paste the code into them and you will have the string of hexadecimal characters that are giving you the third private key. So I will put this private key on the screen just for a second and I will log in into my third wallet. So riddle number 3. Let's unlock it. It was a complicated one because we had multiple messages. As we can see, multiple messages with some characters, and there was a problem with this particular riddle. So this particular riddle had a problem with character padding and you couldn't decrypt them using standard ways. That's why you have to do some magic with the name libraries to decode them. So normal people couldn't do that, and basically there is a series of those messages that after like copying all those decrypted characters into the file, you are able to create the sound file. I will play it right now.
301830140C300C2020381C0C2020380C140C.
And as we could hear, this is our private key for another challenge. So let's go to the challenge number 4. I will log in into the challenge number 4 and here we are. Let's decode it. And this one, in my opinion, this is my favorite one. This code is the code that will allow you to run the program in the something what's called the game of life, and I will put the link to the video about the game of life here on the screen. It will be on the top of the screen, also in the description. One of the guys who are making a lot of videos about machine learning and neural networks, this guy made a video about this thing called game of life, and this is a particularly interesting one. So why is it so interesting? So after putting this code into some kind of game of life code emulator, we got some kind of outputs. This emulator is showing us two different stages of the same code. I will explain in a second. So the first stage is giving us this picture with different squares, and let's assume that the white square is the 1 byte and the black square is the 0 byte. So after like going from line to line, each line has like 4 different characters in hexadecimal. So the one character is 4 bytes binary. So the first character is 0011, which gives us 3 in the hexadecimal. So the next 4 characters are empty. That means those are zeros. 4 zeros in hexadecimal gives us 0. Another one is 0001, which gives us 1 in hexadecimal, and another one is 1000, which gives us 8 in hexadecimal. And the next line, very similar, we've got 3, 0, 1 and 4. So basically this is the private key of the wallet that we are currently in. So this is showing us the way of looking at it, at this riddle. So let's go to the second step of the same schema, and we've got completely different data. I mean, not completely, but it's different. So the first line is the same, so we've got 3, 0, 1 and 8. And the second line, we've got it a little bit different. So we've got 1, 0, 1 and 0. And other lines, of course, are different as well. And I will put the whole private key to the next challenge on the screen. So we did that. We've got the private key to the next challenge. So let's go to the wallet of the next challenge. Riddle 5, and it just gives us another private key to the final challenge that basically is the challenge number 5. Let's go to the challenge number 5, the final one, and we've got the PNG file. So basically after decoding this message, we have our PNG file, which is the Nemet Braille system. And just go to any website that is explaining how to read those characters, and you will basically get your private key. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, I will post the links to the video about the game of life below. Also, I will post the link on the screen right now, and linked in the description to the Cicada 1313, which was some kind of similar task, not related to the cryptocurrency, but related to the cryptography and to the code breaking and to making riddles. So this is also very fascinating video, so I would advise you to go and look at both of them. And thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button underneath, and if you dislike it, please hit the dislike button. I hope I will make more videos like that for the people that are curious about different stuff. I would like to thank CryptoBeliever and Kamil a little bit for helping me sort the facts out about this riddle thing, and see you in the next video. Bye.